Hey everyone, so today we're working on a 16 by 20. We're going to do 3 full flip cups, and I do have some blue paint here to help the paint move along, but with the flip cups sometimes we stretch too much and we lose all of our pretties. So I'm going to go ahead and spray these cups and we'll get filling. I just use the WD-40 to release the paint from the cup. That way we're not wasting a ton of paint. Although we do pick it up and make skins, but you know. So I'm going to go ahead and start filling these cups. We're going to be using, let me give you the colors first. Fine Touch Ocean Green, Artist Loft Metallic Cobalt Blue Hue, Artist Loft Naples Yellow. This is Lucas Gold Bronze. This is Deco Art Bronze mixed with some copper. Liquitex Cad Red Light Hue. Creative Inspirations Permanent Red. And Lucas Phthalo Blue. I wanted it colorful. So we're going to go ahead and start with Naples Yellow. Set them in front of me, and then our next color will probably be the phthalo blue. That will give us a little green. And then we're going to go with the primary red. Some of these need to be cleaned out for sure. Don't use some of them very often. Okay. So then the metallic cobalt blue hue. We're going to go, let's see, what do I want next? I think I'm going to go with the gold bronze. Now I think I'm going to go back to the phthalo blue because I want to encase that metallic. All right. So then, decisions. Maybe I'll go back with the Naples Yellow. And then we're going to go in with the gold bronze. Then with the orange, I don't want a ton of that in there. And then we'll go with the mix here. And then I'm going to go back with the phthalo blue. There's where I'll put my aqua. I think I'm going to shoot just a squirt down in since we lost it a little bit. And back with the metallic. Some more Naples Yellow. And some more red. I think a clump just shot in there. We'll find it when we flip it. Okay. So I'm just going to flip these cups. I don't normally use tools, do I? First for everything, right? So I already know these are sprayed, and I already know the paint's already down. So I'm going to go ahead and flip. And I am intermingling. See? You use all your paint that way. And if you're using plastic cups, clean up the breeze that way because you're getting most of the paint out. And I'm just putting this around because I want to be able to tilt without losing too much of my cell work. We'll probably lose it all, but that's okay. We just want it there so the paint has something to glide on. It helps when you want to keep little bits of your paintings. A little sloppy today, aren't I? Not like me at all. Alright, I'm moving these back so we can tilt. Alright, let me give it a quick torch. Push it back to the middle. Okay. It's very flowy because I have a lot of paint on there. And sometimes those metallics do thin when they sit. So you have to be careful that you're not zigzagging. You don't want to overstretch. I was just in a mood today for something different, with some bright colors in there, but I'm not seeing a lot of the bright. I want to see if we're going to get any cells here because I see that standing out. And these cells will continue to get a little bit bigger, as it says. We did get some green from the blue mixing. So that's cool. But I'm not seeing anything come up through there. I'm getting cells around it. So I'm going to just touch it with the airbrush to see what's under there. Sometimes it gets stubborn. I'm going to tilt it because I don't see anything coming on its own. So I just move my paint and rock my canvas to get all that paint going in one direction so I don't lose it off my corners. And we'll rock it right back. I'm going to come this way a little bit so I can take a little more of that paint off. And then back to the middle. She's moving really slow now, which tells me I'm good. So that is one colorful painting. I can't wait to see it dry because I did get some purple. And I got the greens along with my yellow and orange and reds. Now, if you're looking to get big, nice, juicy cells like Karen from Waterfall Acrylics, you probably want to mix your paints right before you pour and add your silicone. Keep your paints on the thicker side. I like a lot of cell action. I don't like the big, I mean, I do like the big cells, but I like my colorful paintings with lots and lots of cells. Because if I come back and say, well, I think I'm going to put a vinyl on here, or I'm going to paint something over it, I have a lot of action that some things I can cover and some things I can leave. There are a lot of artists that watch the channel that like to embellish their paintings afterwards. And of course, I have my Cricut. I haven't taken it out of the box yet. But there's going to come a time when I'm going to want to go ahead and start doing vinyl work. And these paintings like this, I can save for stuff like that and do something really pretty on here. But I think that's going to be it for this one, guys. Let me wipe off the edges. I'll give you a close-up. Subscribe if you haven't yet. Click on that bell and you'll be notified when I upload the next video. Click like and share. Leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And now remember, these are all paints that were bottled. They were not in cups. So like I said, sorry. Oh, too much color in there for the camera to like that. I'm going to leave it right here. So check out all the links below. Our paint mixing videos are down below. Hit that subscribe button right here. Ding, ding. And let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye now.